Mame Mao Akwaba Emfa Umbra Ghana Nsem TVGH so wofre me Ajoa searching. Ebusiafo girl ya other screen ni so yi. Enkane no na wofre no Lordina ba Portia. Na sisi eni din no wasesa kọ NDC Portia. Na just on the NDC party no owu adem. Na girl is so live e wo TikTok e na NDC Grassroots ni bikogu so na nsem o mo kan de nyensem keto akra. Omo kanya na bitia ya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama omo dia ma no omo atoto ama no left right center nya senketo akra omo say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama and this current NDC administration no just say omo the slay queens and ebu oman no and omo sideline NDC youth na omo de omo moja e pre e campaign de ma party na busuafo ansa na me de ensem ne bebre no
no nim de ye oman no ankasa kasa Ghana ankasa ho ke ye betonga na ya cheska no mu aye because NDC pa na jomama ni second come we ye fi se onu ba be bibi papa ma oman pa se biu up and down ekwantuo na dollar aba fam na ye say jomama ye den ensusu adwuma bia ni ho ye ni adwuma bia ye school sem so atrokan nkola ko school a ye say free education susu double track e da ho ho ma nkola ye brese biu oman ankasa se biu ye hu say politicians no omo to me ko suan governance so na say ordinary Ghanaians so mo friends say ordinary Ghanaians akoye say ordinary Ghanaians na say bio bebe na nim nyansa si omo parliament on po say omo ye ministers and say lawyers kronun kwa na mo boyen kronun kwa na mo ti omo boyen enti omo yen wan kasa no say ya beyo ya bro say ya beyo nyame nkwa na nim ensusu ye say a Christian nation asofo ti omamu na omo hwe mate bio ye bukata na slay queens na omo sesa omo slay queens e di tukwan say omo koye woman of valor say den edi sika ba be hye ye botomu ana say den woman of valor say hwan edi sika ba be hye ye botomu ana say den
NDC Grassroots no this is what you need to understand. Say, a party and a form a government. Into say NDC. Now more your campaign the amomo no more bebu amembuna. A mon party na mo pese eba your friend say enya tumi and say eba power. Na sa mon party enya tumi and it doesn't mean say and I say and guarantee mo say Ghana ya mondia. Into no enjume wa Ghana hanum companies na omonfe mamu Grassroots na monhwe so and moreover no one kasa mo leaders ne ndo bo abeka say NDC supporters no tramofo na read fo nko a mo bot tramo mo bonduru na je say nyame kosesem kwa na mudi now do you think say 2024 after say omo announces NDC enwini aba no mo start say mo hye offices mo de in pointing by time crofos na ade. Do you think that only there's no man realize ya na Ghana hanum na ye wo no me say meka na makoso aka say politicians no they know the kind of youth omo ne omo edile into no don't behave as if say party na ba power into no una wo campaign into by hook or by crook say what dey adwuma ni na ama Ghana na ye na ye ndia NDC NPP ye na ye ndia. But NDC in a form of government, in this among party was so doesn't mean so money your more the page or money name mamma any munju me na. In the no but say na NDC Grassroots no omo no mo ye adwuma NDC Grassroots in the part of mine your family NDC Grassroots in hwa. Esan say NDC Grassroots in security personnel sa forms in na ho sense ma abe. O mine na o mine no ye security no esan say youth no. Na dream ya correct. Inti no oye NDC ni Grassroots wabua na party na benti no yemfa oman ne enshanensa yemfa yen security enshanensa na the police fu bebre aba omo jenja kwanso che say police fu asem de wo kan bebre kra na che say wo ja ko hu aman che say Ghana ni bia nim police ni yie nim ni suban driver ni bia nim police ni yie nim ni suban is oman ne yetimi no judiciary no ehwo aka Ghana ho bia ni wo oje judiciary ni di obie ni hoje police ni di Ghana ha obie ni hoje police ni di bonzo amu gina kwanso na chese odua no amu ahye n'esem sa na mo ye mo adwuma no mo de ada na sikaje we nyina kasa nneɛma ho me party ba ɔyɛ grassroots ɔno bɛbɔ ɔman no ɛna ɔno bɛbɔ a party no yɛ ba power ɔyɛ me ɛne nti nsɛm hu saa nti yɛ security mfa mpanifo ne ho ne grassroots na aboa na wanya tumi nti no ɛsɛ sɛ ɔtam ɔman no security ɛde hyɛ grassroots ne nsa ɛna yɛgum saa nti ndc grassroots ne yɛpɛ sɛ mo aso te sɛ ɛsan sɛ party na form a government nti no sɛ mo ayɛ campaign de ama mo mpanifo no mo aba go to their offices one by one munim omo mumbonru omo ho mumbonru omo offices na se sika na mo be gina mo dey start mo business na mo gin start because NDC grassroots na mo your campaign obi enu ho a woman no position papa bi obetimi ahwe so papa bia nti se mo party aba of course you have every right to say mo boa party in the banti no omo nso be boa mo but e ma mo fan se mo ntimi tin shan se nti wo ye NDC ne grassroots nti hospitals na de no one year MPP funfu na say one you na wo ye wo mo nto aba ne kwanfu ho na wo fa wo kwasho because of what wa abo na party aba so what munje nzemu na mudina ne mo kan kwa ye nte say wo march ye wo march ameboa march kasa kwa march du akwase kasa ye nte o man funny say march no edua kwasia kasa yente because march no your mind no your friends and they celebrate your mind no nti mu je nsemu na mu di na grassroots and so what
almost the base no mu jimi no omo think na what is here majority of them are in Ghana and all the consequences now they are facing it and why is it better I say and 20 yenko pa mo chew 20 one more omo ye nyansafo no one more omo do party no one more we rare MPP no they have come together enipa e call kan sini na ade anji Daniel Toba ni we na all of them came back boldly and said they are come to throw their support to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. So what again? Yon paso mo ye omunya amun form one party omunya don be bia we are not come to sit here and insult anybody. We are not going to sit here and attack anybody. We will come here to fight against them. We don't care. And nothing you hear, you were Henry Kwamekofu. No, what me be boa fight this and kwasiafo we. Senior General Secretary wo kudura, kasa brenke is my Jimmy phone free party no. What you say? Senior General Secretary ni mu dua, kasa kwasiamu asem we ni kwatwa nkofo bebredi wo party no. Kwatwa nkata yi nkofo bebredi free party no. By any General Secretary. It's a party MBBC one. Ye ni chairman, ye ni General Secretary. Party ni edam pakan enti we so na basa na we aso na sere kenti sa ani e wo General Secretary papa delegate e basrem de mo de mu ni nko na mo sabre ya mu ka say de obi bie ni won mo a obetuma ka kire me say si yi Europe ye wura kokofu gira ho ne de ye informa ye ke ko fa say forma because no kwa no ebegina why na wakasa afi say wo de wa compare ya yade ni enum so obegua obaye anye yie and nyese anye yie because of say bia the decision taking no wrong ye de ye hia say ye rekofu delegate duru a mwa ye ka ehumum ni nkoto ma papa no na omra na this kind of decisions no ono sab papa ya odi is who party osukufu who are winning me say one day ma be kana samatro osukufu only on penasam obekofu me breaking down 1 second obe sacking every party tinu ma ya win election mo we fi come Japan why again say come Japan ne e fe say afoko ebetime free party no within seconds am a party na be power why na against wonum do man di afoko ni come Japan chi but party no eduru omo ko di atire so magya ko yinda omo asa trase wo say no ya hwe ya ebedi nkwasem eti mo amu di atire the bass the auto the treble the bass the one enye problem say o mind pra enye me SK nko na kame so o mind ye yi a enye me SK nko na kame e kawo e kame enti wadwe ni say wo candidate no nya to me no ya farmer who candidate inti who dia bra me SK I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Majority of them no tell me so mo yes ano e yesika ma menchiro meti hai omo approach ye wo bebre se meti hai menim se media isu ye nyisika obi aye adwuma bia opesika ba okwan ya befa so opesika no e say this is so brew so ya we right enti wo mu na wo die che de base na omo bo hu tre ne bebre beni na no omo nye menu agimi omo se nkase menu akra Safo be member Jimmy Fuyo Otiwi. Ono me na me ba politics onye MPP ni NDC for ntu kan. Ono no obewura mbi ani ehu se ne ye ne ade bedie ye se ye bole chidom. Ana o se ne Jimmy no deko. Etu ono no de oye nda no. Ana ono so ti oye nda oye fosika. Ono me catch your play say ye catch only one CD mpo. Enfa mo the base no on contribute to $1 ontua. Rather ono mo na beg or tia wote ho so ya ese o man pa wi anwumi na machine e coins sika enti yemu binu ke nne betima fole about betima fole o sika amasika no na ke enso kriti sa no me na kodi akiri yo but ye de adwini party no ne o man na achi enu nti na ase edu ba bia ye ni bidie na enso ya maintain what we have na enti nye ne bone kwa so enti ye be delegate esremu a eni die ni ahobrase kwa so mo me nto aba no Emma Yura Harry come na kokofu na wetimi aboa ama party na fa na ntoma pafira ye wia chairman ba ko pe chairman untimi ti se woko ofura shanti